welcome to meditation. Let's begin by settling into stillness. Find a comfortable seat. Let your spine rise tall but relaxed. Allow your hands to rest gently and your eyes to close or soften. Begin to follow the natural rhythm of your breath, noticing each inhalation and exhalation. Feel your body supported, and with each exhale, allow yourself to arrive more fully in this moment. As we begin, I invite you to reflect on a simple idea. What would it feel like to take only that which is freely given? Not just objects, but time, attention, energy, even space. What might shift if we released the habit of reaching, grasping, or expecting something that someone hasn't truly offered? Often, without realizing it, we place invisible expectations on others, hoping that they will fulfill our emotional needs, to make us feel seen, give us more of themselves than they're able to offer. Today's meditation invites us to gently release those expectations, not as punishment or denial, but as an opening to meet our own needs with honesty, to trust what's meant for us, and to feel into the quiet sufficiency of this moment. In yoga philosophy, this practice is called Asteya, which means non-stealing. But it's not just about possessions. It's about presence, about honoring what comes to us freely and releasing what does not. When we embody this principle, we begin to live from a place of trust rather than scarcity. We shift from depending on others to meet our needs, to learning how to meet those needs with love, clarity, and self-care. Now, let's move into the breath, pairing it with a simple affirmation to guide the heart and mind. I have enough. I am enough. I honor what is freely given. Inhale, I have enough. Exhale, I am enough. Pause, I honor what is freely given. Let this mantra move with your breath. Feel it settle into your being. And as many times as you need, come back to the affirmation. I have enough. I am enough. I honor what is freely given. Gently bring your awareness back into your breath. Begin to deepen your inhalation and lengthen your exhalation. And before you open your eyes, ask yourself, what is one small way that I can care for myself today? Just notice what comes. As we begin to take responsibility for ourselves, we free others so that we can deepen our relationships with them. Let this quote guide us into the closing of our practice. Take only what is freely given, and give only what you can offer with love. Receive one more deep breath in. Exhale and draw your hands to your heart center. Thank you for practicing with me today. May you move through your day with gentleness and trust and a self-honoring presence. Namaste.